How to monetize TikTok account. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To start, you need to get views on your TikTok videos. Once you have built some traction, you can simply follow these steps. For that, launch TikTok app on your device. Sign into your account. Head towards profile at bottom right. Now tap three-line menu icon at top right corner and select the creator tools. So you can see that creator tool is now on TikTok Studio. Go ahead and open to TikTok Studio. So now from this creator tools, you'll find different monetization options. Suppose video gifts. You can click video gifts to check your eligibility. You need at least 10,000 followers to turn it on. And then if eligible, enable it and viewers can send you gifts that converts into money. Other is simply the creativity program beta as well. So tap on this to see if you qualify. If eligible, you can click apply, and once approved, you will earn money based on views. So these are some of the ways to monetize your TikTok account. If this video helped, don't forget to subscribe to our channel